right, things are heating up in the kitchen, and we're going to heat up your summertime get-togethers with the perfect side dish.
You can't go wrong when you have some mouth-watering options from our next guest, who we'd love to have in the studio.
Absolutely. Back with her recipes this month is cookbook author Courtney Hill. Good morning.
Good
Welcome
morning.
back.
Thanks for having
Welcome
me.
Of course.
back.
Do you have any wraps or anything?
No.
No.
Oh, we'll work
Okay,
on that.
sorry.
Okay, we'll work on that. So first of all, before we get started on the food, your kiddos, we were just talking about, they're done with school. Do you have any big summer plans or family vacations?
Yes, we are. We're going to go to Mexico next
Oh,
week.
fun.
The kids are turning 13. I have twins. I turned 40 this year. And it's our 20th wedding anniversary. So it's
so
kind of
we
a
have milestones.
big deal.
Yeah,
so yeah, we're going to
milestones
go
all
to
around.
an all-inclusive place in Mexico. I'm excited. I'm super
Nice.
excited.
Yeah. All right, so let's get into some sides. What are you showing us today?
Okay, so I've got potatoes 3 different ways because to me, it's like, you know, meat and potatoes.
Yeah.
The grill is no exception.
Very
so
true,
these
yeah.
are my favorite potato sides.
Okay.
The one that's in the cookbook is the fried potatoes, which
Okay.
I have here.
Oh, those are good for breakfast.
If you want to
How do I do
start
this?
slicing, this is
A mandolin?
mandolin, and yeah, just slices like that. And then as you
Fun.
get closer, you know, you don't
Use
want to
that.
slice your fingers. So, and Tony, you want to?
Yes, I can
So
do
in
this.
This is fun.
That's pretty fun. Okay, maybe use this one.
Oh!
I don't want you to slice your fingers.
Oh, fried potatoes are one of my favorites.
It's such a country staple. I mean,
Yes.
I love fried potatoes.
We
And
do
it's
this
so
every
simple.
year for our Christmas brunch. I have an
Oh,
uncle
really?
who will. His one job for that brunch is to make the breakfast
Woo!
potatoes.
I did
Yeah.
it.
You did. Good job. We can put them in here.
Yeah.
Cool.
I like to use a non-stick skillet for fried potatoes.
Yeah.
And in here I have some avocado oil and butter
Okay.
for some, you know, flavor, but then
Flavor.
also we're frying.
Sure.
And then you can put in onions or these like dried onions.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All
onion
right.
and potato is like one of my favorite combinations.
Yes. Ooh, we like that. Could you slice up some onions and like sweat them down a little bit in there, so it's
Oh yeah.
like real onions?
Yes, which is what I did there.
Oh, nice.
Immediately, it smells
Yes,
so good.
I usually use fresh onions, but sometimes I'm like, oh, I'm
This
out
is
of onions
easier.
or whatever,
Yeah.
and yeah, that
Yeah.
works just as good.
Okay.
So you just fry those up until
Okay.
they get to the brownness that you like.
I like them
Alright.
crispy.
I like 'em
Same.
crispy.
Yes.
Same.
Yes.
Okay, so what do you have here?
This is my hash brown casserole, and
Oh,
that
okay.
is not in the cookbook, but it is on my blog.
Okay.
Okay.
And a tip I got from a lady I used to go to church with years ago was to put frosted flakes on the top instead of just
Oh.
cornflakes.
Okay.
Oh.
And it just adds a little touch
Sweetness,
of sweetness.
yeah.
Yeah, it's really, really good.
Okay.
What
And-
about 2 different kinds?
And then 2 different potato salads.
Yeah.
Apparently, there's a big debate online. This might be a good talker for you guys.
Ooh.
Do eggs belong in potato salad or not?
I
And
think so.
I
Some
think
people
so,
are very
too.
opinionated about that.
Really?
Yes. So I made one with and one without.
Okay.
And these red potatoes I grew in my garden.
Oh,
I was very
nice.
excited. My
Wow.
first harvest of the season. And I got this inspiration from my friend. She came over for 4th of July last year and brought a potato salad with
Stone
sorry.
ground mustard.
No, I guess it's whole grain mustard.
Oh.
And I was like, you know what? It was so good. I was like, I'm going to kind of make my own
Yeah.
recipe from that.
Yeah.
So it's just the potatoes. You've got mayonnaise, vinegar, sugar,
Eggs.
the mustard. And then, yeah, if you want eggs, you can put it in there.
Listen, I'm an
I like
equal
eggs in
opportunity.
mine. Yeah.
Tony,
Why don't you do some tasting,
Hand us a
ladies?
plate.
Yeah, I like eggs in mine. And honestly, I don't really think I've paid attention to
Me
know
neither.
when eggs are in it and when it's not in there.
You know, when we had Scott in, I'm pretty sure his had eggs in it
Yeah.
too. And his was delicious.
Yeah.
I guess I never noticed. If it all goes together, I don't think I mind.
know.
Exactly.
yeah.
Exactly.
I don't know, I'm
But I
not
saw
that
a
picky.
post that was like,
All right, yeah.
eggs do
help
not
me out.
belong in
Tony.
potato salad. And I
There
was
you
like,
go. These
I
are
didn't
beautiful
know this.
bowls
Oh,
too.
thank you.
So fun. Courtney, thank you so much.
Yes.
We were going to see you in here next month. If people want to get your book, where can they go?
They can go to my website. You can get a link there, or it's on Amazon as well.
Okay, perfect. For more on Courtney and her cookbook, just head to cookhomemade.net. Thank you so much. We'll see you again
Yes.
soon.
Thank you.